kayo doon sa Maka-Range? Si Kuya Third ay magbibigay ng makikisigaw ng isang scenario. For example, Mac, arrange yourself according to your height. For example, height. So, magmumula tayo sa pinakamababa, papunta sa pinakamataas. Alright. Mac, arrange yourself. And of course, kapag na-reach na natin ang ating group according sa hinihingi ni Kuya Third, sabay-sabay po tayong uupo at isisigaw ang pangalan ng team. So I will give you now 10 seconds para mag-isip ang pangalan ng team nyo. Alright? Timer starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Dito nga tayo sa boys. Ano po ang pangalan ng team nyo? Ano po pangalan? Ano po pangalan ng team nyo? Ako niya ako winner team. Girl Mac. Expect ko ba ng team girls? Alright. So ngayon sa atin na tayo sa pangalan ng ating team. Team Girl Mac at Team Jan. Alright. Alright. For our first round, Mac, arrange yourselves according to your age. Alright. Sabay-sabay po yun po. Alright. Ang nauna po naman po ay Team Girls. Pero syempre, i-check muna natin kung tama yung arrangement nila. How old are you, bebe? 5, 12, 18, 19. Alright! Nakaka-skill pa ng Team Boys ang round na to. Alright, syempre, i-check din natin kung tama ba ang arrangement ng boys. 16, 18, 25, 29, 30. Alright, so ang first round ay pumunta sa boys, may 1 point. Ito po yung paunahan na magkaroon ng 3 points. Alright. Mac, for our second round, girls, babawi tayo syempre. Sa inyo ako ini. Galing natin. Alright, for our second round, Mac, arrange yourselves according to your birth month. Birth month. Alright. Sabay-sabay mo po at sisigaw ang team. Alright. Now na ang team. Start na tayo kayo. Alright. January, February, July, August, November. Totoo ba ganun yung birthday nila? Para kailangan ng birth certificate. Alright. Thank you so much. So, 2 points na sa boys and still wala pa rin points sa ating girls. Kapag ang next round ay nanalo pa rin ng boys, so syempre talo ang girls. Syempre di ba matalo? Kaya pa ito ng late game. Alright. Alright, for our third round, Mac, arrange yourselves according to your exes. Ilan ang mga naging ex nyo? Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ako na ang ating team girls. 0, isa. Alright, nakabawi ang team girls. Nakabawi ang team girls. 1 point for team girl. Team Mac girl. And girl Mac. 2 point for team. For our next round. Ready na? Alright, for our next round, ma'am, arrange yourselves according to your birth year. Birth year, taon ang kapanganakan. Alright. Galingan nyo naman, girls. Bakit ako dito? Alright, sunawa na ang team. 2008, 2006, 1999, 1994, 1994. Pili ka 2010 ko pinanganak. Alright, thank you so much. And now, nanalo ang team boys. Of course, you will receive a prize from Ronald McDonald's and still sa girls. Huwag muna tayo maalas. Birthday live only here at McDonald's San Ignacio. Alright. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Parang nabago yung tulog ng bata.
Ano yung duck?
Alright, next. Ayan. Hindi na binalaman kung ano ang tunog talaga ng rabbit na kumakanta ng happy birthday. Alright. Hindi siya. Alright, di daw niya alam. Okay lang. Dito lang yun. Daan natin lang kung dito makakalabas. Ayan. Thank you so much. For our next. Thank you so much. Alright, for the sound of a monkey. Hindi narinig ang sound ng monkey na kumakanta ng happy birthday. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, for last one, dragon. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you so much. Alright, meron ba tayo mga prizes? You can sit na po. Thank you so much. Alright, start na po tayo in 3, 2, 1. Ulo, balikat, ulo, paa, 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 balikat, tuhod, tuhod, ikot, 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 paa, ulo, mata, tiyan, tenga, ilong, ikot, kuha. Alright. Sino ba mga nakakuha ng cup? Alright. Dito po may mga nakakuha ng cup. And nandun po sa mga natalo. Bawi po tayo next game. Alright. Thank you so much, Tita. Music, please.
Thank you for the ice cream, so good. Ice cream daddy. Ice cream good. Ice cream daddy. Ice cream good. Ice cream daddy. Oh, yeah.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin. Music, please. Alright, thank you so much, Addison. Music, please.
long thing. Game start.
Alright, thank you. Alright, partner, music please. Alright, wala pa naman natin sila. Alright, partner, music please.
Thought you had to be a real man. Would you down and take it?
Alright, thank you so much for that. Ayan, palaparin natin ang inyong request. Alright, gusto nyo naman ng mas hataw? Please repeat the music.
Tita.
Alright, next is Kuya Andre.
Happy birthday, Ellie, and this 2025, more TikTok dance with her.
Next is Ate Sol.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Wish ko lang yun enjoy mo yung pagkabata mo. Kapag sinabihan kang matulog na agad kasi wala ka na ng pagtanda mo. Ayun lang.
What she said po. Next is Ate Kaina.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Let's enjoy your day.
Ayan, next is Kuya Teps.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Ang wish ko ay maging mabait ka at huwag kang bunang bo.
Next is Ate Chelsea.
Ano ba? Happy birthday. Tapos ang wish ko lang naman is for you to enjoy your childhood. Ayun.
Last is Tita Ian.
Birthday bestie, I wish you good health and more blessings.
Thank you so much. Now, for our one group photo po, compress po.
God bless and always be happy, okay? Yang gift ko for your more imagination. Diba? Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Enjoy your day. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Wish ko lang sa'yo maging mabait at maging masunulit sa akin kahit mo matumangin. Happy birthday.
Okay, next wish ko. First, I would like to thank everyone.
the family, Saikon, Sayo, Joey, all the cousins, Sinong and Tita, for joining us in celebration of Ellie's 7th birthday. We really appreciate your time po and effort po ng pagbiyahe at pagpunta po dito. And syempre, kay Father Kiiye and kay Mama Ami for being with us po today, sa mga tito, sa mga lahat po ng cousins. Thank you so much. And for Ellie, sa lang po wish ni Nanay and ni Tatay, maging good girl ka always and always listen to Nanay and Tatay and be a good ate to your cousins. Okay? Thank you and happy birthday!
I mean, ano pangarap mo? What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a policeman. Okay, ano ginawa ng police? Nanguhuli ng isda. Anong isda? Okay, ang mga police ay nanguhuli ng mga masamaang mukha. Mga kalokohan. Okay, sabay ka meron ka bang song dyan? Bakit? Sigawan ako. Masabi? Nagulat tuloy sa'yo. Okay, sabay. Kanta mo sila ng ano? Ano ba gusto mo patayin? My Little Monkey. My Little Monkey. Ano ba My Little Monkey song? Ipublema yata ako. Pag-usap tayo. Sige, kumanta ka ng My Little Monkey. Wait na ko nun. Kapag pag-lapis. Alright. So ready? Sing. I'm gonna go. My little monkey, humpy dumpy, mama for a doctor and a doctor said, bilang mong tatlo, nakatago na kayo, kayo pang nakaupo, subukan nyo, tumayo. Ikaw na! Ako kayo. Koratikat at topikat ilmesta. Mahalik ka na naligan okay. Meow, 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 meow. Ay bubo kahit munti ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Singkanya sa kalong. Very good. Sigarilyo at negot. Sitaw, bataw, kalani. Oy! Undol, patola, umutok si Lola. Tapos natin, sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng singa. Ano singa? Ayan, no? Ano yan? Singa? Di singa yan. Ano yan? Confetti. Bakit naman? Magwawalis na lang tayo. Dami kalat ko. Okay. Tapusin natin. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng saya. Alright, thank you so much sa tuwan para si Buboy. Okay, thank you po.
Happy birthday!
Never grow up. And never grow up. You're in the car on the way to the movies and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. At 14, there's just so much you can't do, and you can't wait to move out someday and call your own shots. But don't make her drop you off around the block. Remember that she's getting older too, and don't lose the way that you dance around in your PJs getting ready for school. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever the movies and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. At 14